Hi Katie, hi David. I've got a fun project for tonight. I thought I would try some of those online drawing tutorials for kids, but on our Magnet Doodle. So this should be interesting. We'll see how it turns out. I think it'll be fun. Okay, I think I'm ready. I've got my test drawing here of a couple of circles, so I'm gonna erase that. I think those great test drawing right there. Let's start the video.
Who are we gonna draw today?
Baby Yoda.
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, to draw Baby Yoda.
What do they need for this lesson?
A marker.
Something to draw with.
I've got my magnet stylus for my Magnet Doodle.
Let's get started.
All right.
We're first gonna draw a V shape in the middle of our paper.
Okay,
We're just
for
gonna go
V.
down a little bit and then come back up.
Okay, V.
This is his collar.
And back up.
We're gonna draw his head. We're gonna start inside of the V, and we're gonna draw a big upside down U shape.
All right. Big upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right,
like
now
an
we're gonna
like
draw
an
his
egg.
eyes. We're gonna draw a big circle.
Kind of like
and then
Adam
we're gonna come
Sandler.
down and touch the bottom of the V.
Okay, we're gonna draw an eye.
And I'll draw the same size circle over here on the right
And
side.
we're gonna draw
Really
another
big
eye.
baby eyes. Okay, then we're gonna draw a smaller circle inside.
My egg-headed Yoda has eyes.
His eyes look shiny. Then let's color in his eyes.
Okay.
We're gonna color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white.
Okay, color him in.
Next, we're gonna draw his nose.
This looks great.
So we're gonna
That's
draw
wonderful.
A little curve
Okay,
between his eyes,
little
close
nose.
to the bottom of the V. Then we're
Okay.
gonna draw the top of his nose. We'll draw an upside down U.
I don't know if this was really meant to be done on a Magnet
Now let's draw
Doodle.
his ears. We're gonna start over here, and we're gonna draw a big line that comes out
Okay.
to the side.
Draw a line out. I can do that.
And then we can curve up just a little bit right at the end.
Okay, I'll
Then we're
put
gonna
it back.
come back down and connect to this line on the side.
Okay, look at that.
Yeah.
He's
now
got
let's
an
repeat
ear.
That same step over here on the left side. We're
Okay.
gonna draw another diagonal line that comes out,
Line.
and we want it to be the same length.
Yeah,
Which is gonna be awesome.
does not look like the
Right
same
again,
length.
You kind of already curved up. I'm gonna do that same thing.
Okay.
And then we're gonna curve
We're gonna
back down
come
and
back.
connect to that line.
Wait, man, he's gonna have
I know, he's already looking
lopsided ears here.
Now we're gonna draw the inside of his ear. We're gonna draw another line. We'll start out here on the tip of his ear. We'll come back into his head. And look, I get far away towards his head. So it's thicker here, center.
So what are we doing? We're coming in like that,
Curve down into his head.
and we're gonna curve
Now
down.
let's do the same thing on the other side.
Oh man, he looks awesome.
Gets thicker.
There we go.
And right at the end, curve down.
Yeah, it's perfect. Exactly the
All
same.
right, now at the top of his head, let's draw little hairs sticking up.
Little
baby hairs.
hairs coming out of the egg head.
He's 50 years old. He looks like a baby. Now let's draw his clothes.
Okay.
Start over here on his
Clothes.
ears. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. We're going to do
Okay.
the same thing on the other side.
Sure, I can
This
do
little
that.
robe that he was wearing, and then another line over here on this side. This little robe that he was wearing was kind of up close to his eyes.
Oh man, I'm a
Yeah, I
professional.
drew mine a little longer. There you go. And then over here on this side, we're going to draw another diagonal line that comes across.
Okay.
And then instead of connecting, we're going to first curve up to the top.
Come
And then
across.
over here, we'll curve back down and connect to the middle.
Connect in the middle. All right, he's got a
Now we're
collar.
going to draw his arms. We're just going to draw a little, another short diagonal line. Comes out on both sides.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
This
This
is
is-
way too cute. And then we're going to draw the bottom of his sleeves. So we'll draw another diagonal line that comes in. Looks like a sideways V. And we'll do the
boy.
same thing on this side.
I totally forgot his
now we're
other
gonna
sleeve.
draw a little line up. Don't go all the way up to the top. Just stop short.
Little line.
Do the same thing.
Little
There's
line.
his little sleeves.
Oh, it's
Right, now,
perfect.
On the end of his sleeves, they're rolled up. So let's draw a shape. Comes out of the side, down,
Okay.
across, back up, and then connecting.
I can do that. There's a
If you
little,
guys need more time, remember you can always pause the video.
I'm gonna need a lot of time.
No, that's good. No, it's good. I like it. No, it's perfect.
Oh, it's beautiful. This is perfect. You have no idea.
Have fun.
And
Practice.
I'm practicing on my magnet doodle.
sides so that they look like they match.
Oh,
Extra big, that's okay. Now let's draw his hand. We're gonna draw a little baby hen that's just coming out of his sleeve. So we're gonna draw a little curve.
little curve
We're gonna draw a line that connects
and a
up to his-
line.
And on the
Okay,
other side, we're gonna draw his thumb.
let's draw a thumb.
Yoda only has,
Ah, look at
baby
that.
Yoda only has 3 fingers, like grown-up Yoda.
Okay,
But I think a lot of people are saying this isn't actually Yoda. He's just a baby version.
he's gonna look like he's got a finger disease or something.
Maybe it's his cousin.
It could be, or it's Yoda's baby.
Ooh, Yoda's
And
baby.
then we'll draw a line that connects up. Okay, and then we'll draw another curve.
That's not bad. Looks
Now,
just
on
like
the
him.
end of each of these little fingers, let's draw an upside down U for his fingernail.
That, okay, I'm just gonna, there we go. That looks
Or his
good.
claw.
There you
Next,
go.
we're going to draw the bottom of his robe.
Let's
Start
do
right
it.
here by his thumb.
Totally.
Then we'll come down. I'm just going to draw a little S line. We can do the same thing on the other side too.
All right.
You
Wonderful.
can't see his feet because his
All
robe is
right.
so long. Now we're going to connect. We're going to draw a little curve that connects over to the other side.
Do that. There we go.
I'm going to draw another little wrinkle. I like that you have this little line right there.
Wrinkle.
And I'm going to add that same
Wrinkle.
thing over here on this side too.
I could do that. Put a wrinkle there. Put a wrinkle there.
Good job. You can also add one over
He looks perfect.
All right, Mrs. House, we did it. We finished drawing
Wow.
Baby Yoda. It looks really cute. Except
Mine's
he's gonna
cuter.
look even cuter once we do what?
Color.
I don't know. Mine's pretty awesome. All right. What do you think? Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that myself. All right, kids, that was kind of fun. I'll leave a link to the video that I did this on in the description. If you guys try it, send me a photo of your drawings, and I'd really like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. I can't wait to do another one for you, and I miss you guys, and I love you, and I can't wait to see you again.